Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete TikTok account. So if you want to delete your TikTok account, here's how you can get it done. Open your TikTok account on your phone. Once you open it, then you tap on the profile icon, then you tap on these three dots, this three-line button at the top right corner, then you tap on settings and privacy, then you tap on this option which is account. Good. From there, then you tap on the user information. Alright, no. Then you tap on deactivate or delete account. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you a few seconds. Then from here, you can tap on delete account permanently, and here is what you need to put into consideration. Once you decide to delete your account, all your content, your videos, your saved videos, your archive videos on TikTok will be automatically deleted. And also, after you decide to delete your account, you still have the privilege or the chance of 30 days to recover all requests for reactivating your account within 30 days. Once after 30 days of you deleting your account will be automatically deleted, and you cannot recover it. But if you end up deleting now, you still have the maximum of 30 days before you can reclaim your account. But after the 30 days, your account is gone, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.